Test drive and commence. Pretty little dares. It's cold as fuck out here, y'all. What's happening on YouTube? What's good? It's your boy Jay Bowman, man. Back at it again, man. In the cold. Well, I just got a phone call, guys, and seems like someone's at the dealership looking at the 05 Chevy Cobalt. So yeah, man, we might make some money this morning. Day after Christmas, guys. I need that. Yeah. But anyways, y'all see it, man. We on the road now. About to be pulling up at the dealership in maybe about a minute. So yeah, man, y'all stay tuned, man. We're gonna see if we can get this thing sold. Hopefully sold. What y'all think, man? How was everybody's Christmas also, man? Comment below, man. Let me know. Hope everybody had a great Christmas. You know, got the gifts that they wanted to get, and you know, had a good little time with the family or whatever you want to call it, you know. But anyways, guys, y'all see it first, man. We about to be pulling up soon, so yeah. Now, I'm not going to be recording when I get there because I don't want them to feel uncomfortable. You know, they don't know anything about me and my recording, so I'm not gonna introduce them until they can actually, until they know, hey, they're gonna be recorded. But as you can see, that's them in the little Chrysler. Y'all stay tuned though, man. All right, guys, so we got a test drive going on. This Chevy Cobalt's going on a test drive, guys. What y'all think? Y'all think I'm gonna get lucky? Y'all think we're gonna get lucky today? Test drive and commence. What y'all think, man? Y'all think we gonna get lucky today? Hey, usually when they take that test drive now, that'd be a sold deal. That'd be a whole sold deal. So I'm just, you know, fingers crossed, guys. Fingers crossed. We need that. She said she could pay for it. I was like, yeah, this and that, just cash out card type thing, whatever. She's like, okay, oh, it's cash. Oh, okay, well, I mean, I have the money to pay for it, but I need to put it in my mom's name. And I'm like, oh, that's fine. She like, so can you hold it until Monday? And I'm like, well, to hold it, you know, I do what they call a deposit, a holding deposit, which is basically $10 per day. You want me to hold it for a month? That 30 days, you need to bring $300, and I'll hold it for the month. In the event that you don't come back to get your car after that month, that $300 deposit is non-refundable. So you can either give it to me or put it towards the car when you come back next month, you know. So I told her that, and she's like, oh, well, I can actually just pay for the car now, and then just, can you hold it if I pay for it, and then, you know, come back with my mom? And I'm like, oh yeah, definitely. I can hold it for you after you've paid for it. I'll put it to the side. That way you don't have to worry about it going anywhere. But as you see, guys, we're on a test drive. Hey man, I know I probably ain't said it yet, but don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, guys. Let me know what's going on. Hey man, it's just like any other damn, you know, day of seeing me, you know. I mean, I'm no stranger. Comment, guys, like, subscribe, you know. Let me know how we doing here, you know. Pretty sure, you know, we did have a, I'm not gonna sit there and lie though, we did have a rough start in the business. We did have a rough start, and that was all my fault, you know. That was all my fault. But I think we got things panned out now, you know. I think I got it smoothed out. You know, I was honestly trying to avoid certain steps of the business, but I'm gonna tell you now, don't avoid any steps. Don't avoid any steps. Like when it comes down, especially when it comes down to the Manheim market value, basically, you know. You want to always kind of respect the MMR, and that's one thing, guys, that I had to learn about, which I did, and that's something you guys are going to learn about here on this channel. Whenever you see us going to look at a car from now on, we're going to respect that Manheim market value. If it's too high, it's simply too high. If the bid's too high, it's simply that. But yeah, man, we had a rough start, but we ironing out our differences right now, you know. So don't forget to like, subscribe, comment below. Also ring the notification bell, that way you can stay up to date with the whole movement, everything that's going on, all the tips, tricks, any type of you know, insider knowledge. You want to be updated on that, so don't forget to ring the notification bell. But y'all stay tuned. Excuse me, damn, I got the hiccups. Y'all stay tuned though, man. We gonna wait till she comes back and see the verdict. All right, guys. So we moving at max speed today. Finally got valve cover gaskets in, guys. I already started putting it on. But just want to give you guys, you know, keep you guys up to date, man. I don't want y'all to think, oh, this man, you know, ain't remember about us. That's the old one. Y'all see it though, man. I'm gonna get this head knocked out. And also, I mean, you guys saw that test drive earlier today with the 05 Cobalt. Well, it turns out she did put a deposit on it for me to hold it. And however, she is coming back today instead of waiting till Monday to do it. So she's actually on the way now. So I'm trying to get this here valve cover put on so that I can drive this, you know, out there, hopefully, and complete that sale while at the same time checking this out, you know, make sure everything else is good with it. So y'all see it first, man. But I'm gonna get to work right quick. Y'all stay tuned. All right, guys. So I thought I had more time to work on the 2.5S Ultima. Turns out we don't. The customer's already at the office or at the lot, waiting on me. So I'm gonna go ahead and ride on out. And of course, like I said before, you know, I don't like recording everybody, so you guys probably won't see the deal go down, but we will get that drive time, guys. We will get that drive time. Watching them, you know, sail in the sunset with their new vehicle, and we will get to count these racks. You know how that go. Y'all stay tuned though. All right, guys, we out here, man. So Mom came and Mom said, nah, we're not gonna get it. We're not gonna get it. What y'all think, man? I was trying to figure out. I mean, I know the paint, you know, clear coat peeling, you know, little this and that. But guys, this car runs fucking good. This car runs fantastic. Like, it almost makes me want to, like, you know, up the price, man, because like look inside. I mean, yeah, we've been driving it and, you know, we ain't had no time to vacuum it out, but check the interior, guys. 250,000 miles. That is true. But guys, this car runs excellent. This car runs excellent, and I believe that they're actually missing out on. Now, yeah, you do have to get a windshield, if you can see that, you know, but other than that, man, this car is clean. This car is clean. This car runs good. I'm trying to tell you something. Like, look how clean it is, dog. Like, you know, we didn't even have to. I don't know if we had to wash this or not, but I doubt we even had to wash that car. Hey, I don't want, you know, nobody to be forced into a decision. So, hey, it is what it is. But guys, I'm trying to tell us something. You know what? I ain't trying to sell the car. You know what I mean? I'm just being real with you, because I mean, I feel to myself, you know, it's like Bentley. What need to advertise, guys? This is Bentley we talking about. Like, this here is a good running car we talking about. So I don't feel the need to have to advertise. I guess customers are used to people trying to get one over on them. But I mean, I'm not trying to. Not by any means at all. I want you to be comfortable in the car that you get. You know, I want you to first and foremost like the car you get, But I mean, I don't know what it is. I mean, maybe it's the paint, you know, maybe it's the clear coat. I mean, I don't know. Now y'all watch now. Y'all watch. The same car that I'm selling for $1,750 is gonna end up going up in price till about $2,250. And I'm gonna just let that shit just sit right here until tax time roll around, and somebody gonna come and pick that up, and they gonna like it because I mean, yeah, 250,000 miles. Wow, guys, that don't mean a thing. This here got 286,000 miles, guys. You get what I'm saying? No, I knew you probably seen that. If you didn't, that's a bad temperature sensor right here. That's why it's showing hot. We've cranked this thing up in the dead cold of winter on a cold start, and it said it was hot. So yeah, that's just a temperature sensor. But I mean, 286,000 miles. I mean, I'm driving it, you know, back and forth from here to from home to the lot, from the lot to the parts store, you know, rolling, dog, and there ain't nothing wrong. I mean, hey, and I have not touched this car yet as of yet. So yeah, you do see check engine light, this light, that light. It says low fuel, but it's not low on fuel. The fuel gauge, obviously, I think it's something with this cluster, but I don't know. But I'm gonna figure it out. But I mean, hey, what more can you ask for, guys? Clean car, nice car, you know. Anyways, guys, I'm gonna wait on her because I did give her deposit back, being that she did come the same day to say that she didn't want it. Hey, well, in that case, there's no need for me to hold your deposit. That's not my money, you know, things like that, you know. Now, yes, it's supposed to be non-refundable, and I could have, you know, pushed that issue, but me personally, just because they don't want a car, I don't want to hold it. You know, if she had came tomorrow, she would only be getting 20 out of the $30 back, because it is $10 per day if I hold this car. Not saying someone else is coming to look at it, but hey, you never know. You never know. But y'all see it though, man. This is what we got to deal with. I mean, it ain't a bad thing either. Just a person not seeing what they like, and I'm understanding of that. You know, but we're gonna get this thing sold, y'all. Check, watch me get it sold, y'all. Drop some comments though, man. Let me know what you think. What you think she turned me down for, guys? I mean, like, you know. It's okay though, man. Hey, I know that thing ain't good. That's why I ain't too enthused on, you know, dropping the price in the first place. I only dropped the price because I wasn't gonna go the finance route again, buy here, pay here, because of that incident, coming back without a bumper and shit. But man, hey, y'all see it first, man. Y'all see it first. We out here, we getting it done, regardless of what, day after day. Might not be the day, might be tomorrow, but it's gonna get done though. I need to go back anyway and finish up the Ultima, you know what I mean? Got that, you know, ready to be put up together or put together. I might need to go and get a little piece of hose for it. Other than that, pretty much good to go. Yeah, man. So y'all stay tuned though, man. Stay tuned and drop some comments, man. Let me know why she denied me, guys. Why did she deny me on the 2000 and I keep saying 5, but I got too much cars to remember now. I think it's an 05 to an 07 Chevy Cobalt. Why did she deny me, guys? Why did she deny me? Talk to me.